Morning, it is workout time. Alright, so today we've got glute bridges, so just normal ones. Fire hydrants, so where you're on your knees and you just kick your knee out to the side. Pull squats, so pulsing in our squat, don't come all the way up to the top. Split squat pulses, so just in your split squat, pulse in there. Lots of pulses today. And then for upper body we've got press ups, high plank, leg kicks up, so you're gonna kick your legs up to the ceiling. So we've not done them this way, so you're just gonna kick up that way and then swap your leg over. You can pop your band around your ankles as well. Then we've got leg raises and opens. So what we're going to do for them, we're going to do your leg raise and then we're going to open our legs and then we're going to take it back down. So up to the top, open and back down. And then we've got V crunches, so where we're crunching up into our V. And then we've got plank climb, so where we climb up and down in the plank. So we know all of those. Let's do this. So starting with your glute bridges, grab your band, let's do it. Set a timer, let's go. So 20 glute bridges to start off with. Remember, weight in your heels, up and squeeze your bum at the top. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Really squeeze, squeeze, squeeze at the top. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. And then into our fire hydrant, so round onto your knees. 20 kicks to the side. 3, 4, 5, 6. Really pull it out as far as you can. 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Out and squeeze. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then pull squats. So into our squat, and we're just going to pulse it there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then into our split squats. So weight in that front heel. Pulse it there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side, weight in that front heel. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back into our 20 glute bridges. Weight in your heels, up and squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then into our fire hydrant, so onto your knees, kick it out to the side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Out and squeeze it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into your squat pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And into our split squat pulses. Weight in that front heel. 8, 9, 10, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At the side, weight in that heel. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glute bridges, 20 of these. We've only got 40 seconds to go. Let's do it. Knees apart, up and squeeze. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Onto your knees, into your kicks to the side. Fire hydrants. Ooh. And onto upper body. So starting with our press ups, we've just got 10 of these. So remember, if you can, have your knees off the floor. If not, put them down, but keep your body in a straight line. So 10 press ups. And then into our plank. So we're just going to hold a plank. You can do it up here as well. And then we're just going to kick each leg up. So alternating the leg, we're going to do 10 on each side. 2, 3, 4. If you're struggling with this one, do the forearm plank. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our leg raises and opens. So lying it back, leg raise, open it up, take it back down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our V crunches, so just 10 of these, so just crunching it into the middle, take it out and down. If you really struggle with these, just do crunches. And 10, and then into our plank climb. So round onto the front, and then climb it up, and the other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then back into our plank. And then into our plank and kicking our legs up. So remember, onto your hands is the best way, or you can do it on your forearms. And then we're just kicking our leg. Think about squeezing your bum as you lift your leg up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then lying on your back into your leg raises, and then open and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then into our V crunches. So 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then a plank climb. 10 of these. We've got 30 more seconds. Up we go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then press ups, 10 of these. Oh, timer, 1 minute breather, have a little rest. Oh. Oh, so take your time, have a breathe, grab a drink. Also, I've made a video about glute bridges and about like how to do them properly so you feel it, because a few people have told me they don't really feel them, and it's just about like your posture and like putting the emphasis in certain bits of it. So I thought it'd be easier if I just made a video, so I'm going to post that today. I'll post it, the link to it in here, but that might be helpful if you don't feel your butt when we do butt things, or even if you do, you just want to make sure you're feeling it the most. Alright, we've got 10 more seconds. Okay, are we ready? Let's do it! So glute bridges first. Let's go, 20 of these. So weighting your heels, knees apart, up and squeeze. Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, really squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then into our fire hydrants. So onto our knees, take it out to the side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Take it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull squats. So just pulsing it there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then into our split squat pulses, weight in that front heel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Weight in that front heel. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to our glute bridges. Weight in heels, up and squeeze, really pull your knees apart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Really squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Onto our knees, into our fire hydrants. So kick it to the side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Split squat pulses, so weight in that front heel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Weight in that front heel. 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glute bridges. We've got 40 seconds to go. Weight in your heels, up and squeeze. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Really pull your knees apart. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into our fire hydrants. Kick it to the side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and into upper body. So 10 press ups first. Let's go. Hands down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our plank with our leg lift. So plank, lifting your leg up as high as you can. 2, really squeeze your bum at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our leg raises and opens. So leg raise, open it, take it down. 10 of these. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our V crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plank climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our press ups again. So just 10 of these. 1, 2, 3. And then into our high plank, kicking our knees up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 more, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then into our leg raises and opens. We've got 1 minute 30 to go. Leg raise, open it, take it down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then into our plank climb. So, oh, V crunches actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then into our climb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then into our press ups again. And 1 minute breather. 1 more round to go. Oh, we got this. Grab a drink, we've just got to go 1 more time. Hot. So just take your time. Have a rest. My hair is sweaty. We can do this. Last time. We're nearly there. Alright. Are we ready? Let's go, round 3. And then we're all done. Okay, band on. Let's go. Time is on. Glute bridges. 20 reps. Weight in your heels, up and squeeze. Let's do it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Really squeeze at the top. Keep it going. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And into our fire hydrants. So onto your knees, kicking it out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 20 of these, pull it out. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull squats. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull split squats. 20 of these each side. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Weight in that heel. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glute bridges. Left go, bend on. Pull your knees apart, up and squeeze your bum at the top. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more. Really squeeze at the top. 5 more. Let's go up and squeeze in. And 3, 2, 1. Onto our knees, fire hydrants. We got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pull squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep your knees apart. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And into our pull split squats. 2 on each side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Weight in that front heel. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Glute bridges. We've got 40 more seconds. Let's go. Weight in your heels, up and squeeze. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And into our fire hydrants. And then upper body, last round. Last 5 minutes, we're nearly done. Let's go. So 10 press ups to start with. Let's go. High plank with leg kicks. So keeping it there. Get your leg as high as you can. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then into our leg raises and opens. So lying on your back, leg raise, open it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And into our V's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Into our plank climb. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then into our press ups. And then leg lifts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then into our leg raises and opens. Open it up, take it down. Really push your lower back into the floor. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, into our crunches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plank climb. 1, we're nearly at the end. And then into our press ups, so 10 of these. And then kicking our legs up, squeeze your bum at the top. Done. Woo! Alright, pop your legs out in front, just reach forward over them. Well done, guys. And bring the bottoms of your feet together, reach forward over them. And then cross one leg over the top. Look the other way. And the other side, cross it over the top, look the other way. Lying on your front, push it up, hips into the floor. Tuck your toes underneath, push up. One arm across, and the other side, up and over, and the other side. And there we go, we're all done. Fabulous job.